In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change an invoice template in Xero. First, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Xero account. This is your entry point to accessing all the financial tools and settings you need for invoicing. If you don't yet have a Xero account, you'll need to sign up for one, but for today's purposes, we'll assume you're already a registered user. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top menu bar. Here, you should see the name of your company or organization up in the upper left corner. Go ahead and click on that. This step is crucial because it's your gateway to accessing the inner settings of your Xero account, a bit like unlocking a door to all the unique management features that Xero has to offer. After clicking on your company name, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you're going to select Settings. The Settings menu is where you can customize various aspects of your Xero account, making it an integral part of personalizing your business processes. Now, under the section labeled Features, you'll need to click on Invoice Settings. Depending on your version of Xero, this option might also be labeled as Quotes and Invoices, so keep an eye out for either. This is where you'll see a list of all your existing invoice templates. With your invoice templates now in view, the next step is to find the specific template you want to use or edit. This list is comprehensive, showing each template you've created, so you can select the one that fits your current needs the best. To change the default template, you'll need to locate the three dots or ellipsis symbol next to the template you desire. Click on these dots to open more options, and then go ahead. Select Set as Default. This action sets your chosen template as the primary one, which Xero will use for generating future invoices. Now, if you're looking to edit an existing template, simply click on its name to open it. You can then make any changes you need, whether they're design tweaks or layout updates. Once you're finished, be sure to click Save to ensure your modifications are locked in. For those who prefer a custom touch, perhaps by using your own design, Xero allows you to upload a custom template as well. To do this, click on the button labeled Upload Template. You can browse your computer to select the file you wish to upload, then hit Save to add it to your list of available templates. And there you have it. Changing or customizing your invoice templates in Xero is a straightforward process, enabling you to tailor your invoicing to better suit your business's style and needs. Remember to revisit your settings periodically to ensure everything remains aligned with your business objectives.